Hello, dear girls, and welcome to your English class again today. Today in English, we will not be learning something new, but we will revise a lesson that we have already learned earlier. Okay, so we will be revising the answers of this lesson. So today we are doing the answers of the ugly duckling. We have done this lesson. Okay, and I hope all of you remember the story. It's a very nice story, right? Okay, so I hope you have written the answers down, girls, because your books need to be complete. And this has been done quite some time ago, this lesson. So your books should have this lesson written down. Okay, all the answers. So as we are reading the answers, you can also check your book to see that your book is complete. Alright, so let's begin. The first question is meanings. So as I say, you listen and then you repeat. Okay, so in that way you will also learn. Okay, I know most of you all must have studied because you are good children, correct? But we need to revise. Okay, so by saying it out loudly, you will be able to remember better. So I repeat, you have to listen to me, to the pronunciation, alright, and then repeat. So let's begin with the meanings. Reed. A plant with hollow stems. Shaggy. Long, thick and untidy. Thicket. A dense group of bushes or trees. Ridiculed. Made fun of. Fragrant. Having a pleasant smell. Rustling. Making a soft crackling sound. Slender. Gracefully thin. Fluffy. Covered with soft fur. Gliding. Moving smoothly and quickly. Longing. Wanting something very much. Yes, so those were the meanings. There are 10 meanings in this lesson. Let's move on to the next question, which is answer the following. Okay, so once again I will say, so as I say, you listen and then you repeat. Why did the ugly duckling decide to leave the lake? Answer. The ugly duckling decided to leave the lake because he felt very lonely and sad. Okay, let's move on to the next question. What did the ugly duckling find wherever he tried to seek shelter? Answer. Wherever the ugly duckling tried to seek shelter, he found that he was always ridiculed by other smaller birds, animals, and even human beings. Okay, let's move on to the third answer now. Who was the only friend of the ugly duckling? Answer: the only friend of the ugly duckling was his mother. Number 4. Why was the ugly duckling afraid to look at his own reflection? Answer: the ugly duckling was afraid to look at his own reflection because he thought that he looked very ugly. Fifth answer now. Who did the ugly duckling meet in the beautiful garden? Answer: the ugly duckling met 3 beautiful swans in the beautiful garden. Sixth one. Was the ugly duckling happy in the end? Which line tells us that? Answer: yes, the ugly duckling was happy in the end, crying joyfully from the depth of his heart, saying, I never dreamed of such happiness as this while I was an ugly duckling. Okay, so those were the 6 question answers. The next question is reference to context. Okay, do you remember how you write answers for reference to context? It is a dialogue which is given in the question, that is something that somebody says to another person. Okay, and in your answer, you have to break it up into 3 parts. The first part is who said, the second is to whom, and the third part is which lesson. Okay, so let's start with reference to context. First one, he is mine and I love him too. Answer: Mother Duck said these words to the other ducks in the lesson The Ugly Duckling. Second one, how wonderful to be like them. Answer: the ugly duckling said these words to himself in the lesson The Ugly Duckling. Okay, we move on to the next question. Young ones of animals. Okay, so here the younger one of the animal, what is that young one called? We have to learn that. Okay, hen, chick. Sheep, lamb. Deer, fawn. Cat, kitten. Duck, duckling. Goat, kid. Dog, puppy. Goose, gosling. Swan, cygnet. Cow, calf. Lion, cub. Frog, tadpole. Okay, so those were the young ones of animals. The next question is frame sentences. Swan. A beautiful swan is swimming in the pond. 2. Graceful. The dance was very graceful. Number 3. Reflection. I saw my reflection in the water. 4. Strange. A strange man was walking on the road. 5th, beautiful. The girl wore a beautiful dress. Okay, so those are the answers or the notes that are given for this lesson, The Ugly Duckling. So once again, I'm reminding you girls, please complete your notes, okay, not only of this lesson, but whatever other lessons have been done, whatever notes have been given in the assignment section, please see that your notes are complete and please do study hard. Okay, so that's it for today. Have a nice day, girls. Bye.